Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 13 of the August Leetcode challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, and let me know what you think. So today's problem is combination iterator, iterative combination. And depending on your language, this actually it changes how you would like to do these things. In a sense that how do you say it? In the sense that technically you should generate them one at a time for the iterator, so that you use constant space, right? Or space in the terms of the input, but constant extra space per call. But it depends on what you want to practice on. For Python, I would actually advocate that you do that. In some other languages, it's a little bit trickier. But yeah, but I think for now, so let's take a look at the inputs. So n can be at most 15, and combination length is also 15. And if you have experience of combinations, then you know that 15 choose 7 or 15 choose 8 is going to be the max number. And if you plug it into a calculator, and I'm doing that right now, 15 choose 7 is like 6,000. So that's way easy to generate all the cases. And that's what I'm going to do in Python just because I'm a little bit lazy. But definitely, as I always say, practice for what you want to be practicing for. There's a couple ways to do it for sure. Yeah. So what I would do now is probably just generate all, at most, was it 6,500 cases by using recursion or something like that. Yeah. So I'm going to put everything on a queue so that some of the edge cases will handle better. Yeah, and then I'm just going to do recursive. And n is equal to 15, so we just do some kind of bit mask thing. Okay, fine. Mask. If mask is equal to 0, return. Oh, append, I guess. So now we want to append. What do we want? We want to contribute a string. Okay, fine. And there are a couple ways to do it with respect to, how you want to do it. And some of that has like different complexity, which you can go over as well. And right now I'm just using bitmask to store basically a Boolean array. You can also actually just use a Boolean array, to be honest, but I'm more practice on this one for sure. Oh, and this is actually, I say that and I have a minor mistake. I think that's all I need. Here. Oh, actually, no. So right now I'm doing all combinations, but actually I only need you know combination length. So I need to fix this, and this is actually wrong as well. So yeah. So then let's actually also keep track of the length remaining. Or actually, I guess it's implicit with the length of the current, so I think that's fine. So instead of this in the base case, is length of the current is equal to combination length. Okay, so I think this is okay. So then now everything should be on deck. Next is equal to return self.deck.popmath. and this is just returns the length of the start of track is greater than 0. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Cool. I mean, looks okay. Ooh, no, I'm wrong. I do BA instead of BC. Is that right? Is this deterministic? No, BA is definitely wrong because that's AB because we want because it's coming. Okay, because I think a little bit ambiguous is whether but yeah, that's okay. We just have to add a thing, which is I guess maybe index. So then now we start at index plus 1, and also we recurse on x. Yep. Ooh. Oh, did I mix this up? Okay, I think we want to do this and then do this instead. Okay, fine. Okay, so then now that looks good. But basically, what we did was we added an index thing so that we start once we go to the right of that, or like once we picked a character to be used, we only want to go to the right so that we impose a sort of an ordering so that you don't get that situation where you go to BA because I guess I was doing somewhat of like n factorial stuff. Okay, I'm going to submit. It looks good. Yay. So yeah, what's the running time of this? I mean, this is going to do as many recursion as the number of n choose k or n choose r. Yeah, I think the more optimal case would be to generate next by using some kind of permutation. There's a way to do it with swaps, and that's the way that I would consider doing it with maths and stuff like that. Definitely explore that. It's very well-studied literature, but for me, this is just n choose r, which is roughly speak 2 to the n in the worst case. So yeah, let me know what you think. Hit the like button, subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this problem and how did you do it. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.